A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You ever notice, say, when Jesus a teach the people them, he asks them enough question? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't click the subscribe button yet, go and go click it now. And the notification bell too, so that you will not miss none of what are going right here. So today, me I go read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 12 from verse 35 to verse 40. Jesus did a teach in a yard where God house there. Him say, "Oh come, the law teacher them, say the Christ a David pickney." The Holy Spirit talk through David and say, "The Lord said to me, Lord, say, sit down on my right hand side till me put your enemy them under your foot." If David call him Lord, how the man where God sent for save people for be David boy pickney? And the big crowd of people did happy and listen what him say. When Jesus did a teach them, him say, "Uno see them law teacher there, watch yourself and make sure say uno no come in like them. Them love walk bout in a long jacket and get special Audi when they go market. And when them go at the Jew them church and go a big dinner, them love to sit down in at the best seat. And then trick up the woman them who for husband dead and take with their house and land. When they done, them pray a long prayer to make themselves look good. Them hell a go at. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.